here at ISE 2023, we're announcing two products really. One is our Unica amplifier platform, and the second is our Universo cloud control platform.
Unica is based on our latest generation of power amplification, based on chip technology. This was a straightforward choice in order to keep the consistency between different models that could be applicable to different applications and different type of venues. The user experience will remain consistent during the time and also can host any new development that in the future Powersoft will add through this platform.
We chose the name Unica as it signifies uniqueness, but also in Italian it means single or one. So this represents that Powersoft has developed a single, consistent platform for its amplifiers and control that both works with the new Unica amplifier platform, but will be extended into the future to support all of Powersoft's current and future products. We expect that Unica will find a home in many medium to large installations where we need high performance audio, power savings, and space savings.
We always believed in efficiency, in the power consumption, in reducing the operative cost, especially in installation. With this platform, we are raising the bar of efficiency because we worked a lot on the latest generation of our single-stage power factor correction, the next generation of the output stage and smart rail management. All of these are producing a platform, a product that has no comparison in our existing catalog. We started this development from an experience based on a decade of working in the fixed install industry, and we received a lot of feedbacks. We were sort of green when we started. We received a lot of feedbacks, a lot of suggestions, and many of them have been introduced in this Unica platform. But the most important, I believe, is the PoE capability that we added to the platform. Because, for example, in a big venue, normally you install everything, but before testing, you need to wait the main sockets installed for the racks. And this is in some way a loss of time. It's time that the system integrator cannot complete the job. With the PoE++ of this Unica platform, they can test all the installation, including the loudspeaker, the lines from the amplifier to the loudspeakers, using PoE++ instead of waiting the main socket to be installed. So this will really reduce the cost of the setup and commissioning of the system.
You can get more information on Unica and our Universo cloud platform by going to powersoft.com.